Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Adobe Acrobat has suddenly started showing strange line inside the ruler whenever you move your mouse over the PDF, and the lines keep increasing until the ruler become unreadable, even after reinstalling Acrobat or restarting your computer, the issue may still come back. Don't worry, in this video I will show you a quick and simple fix step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Click on the menu button on the top left corner. Click on Help and then check bar updates. Now click on Download and install updates. Adobe Acrobat will now search for the latest available update. If an update is found, download and install it. Once the update is installed, close Adobe Acrobat completely, then open it again and load your PDF file. Now move your mouse over the document and check the ruler. The line issue should now be fixed. If the issue still continues, make sure your Windows graphics driver is updated as well, because sometimes display issues can also cause ruler glitches. That's it, a quick and easy fix for strange ruler line in Adobe Acrobat. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and share the video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.